Hello everyone, let's now talk about inventory. Inventory is how much is left over from the previous year. The ideal year-end inventory position is 1 unit left in each product line. That way it is ensured that every single potential sale was made and your excess inventory carry cost is being minimized. In order to ensure there isn't excess inventory, you have to accept the risk of sometimes losing sales to competitors because of stocking out, compared to carrying the cost of additional inventory in case your demand doesn't exceed expectations. Now let's talk about ideal inventory management. In order to earn the star in this category, teams need to satisfy at least 95% of demand that is generated across the entire product line. We can find this by taking the actual total industry unit sales and dividing it by the potential industry unit sales. This value should be above 95%. Second off, your team should not be carrying more than 90 days of inventory, which can be found by dividing total unit inventory by total units sold and ensuring that it is below 25%. Now let's talk about how you should be analyzing inventory to make sure you're in a good position. First, check for stockouts. This can be found in the CAPSIM Courier on each segment analysis page. Look for an actual versus potential graph that looks like the one that's here on the right side of my screen. Based off this graph, you may have underproduced and turned away customers. The difference in these values will show you how badly the stockout hurt you. Second, check for excessive inventory levels. Look in the Capstone Courier at the production analysis, which is found on page 4. I attached a photo below of what this will look like. Then compare the units sold with units in inventory. If there's anything left over in the inventory section, it should be less than 1/6 of the unit sales. For example, if we look right here at the top company, which is Able, Acre, Adam, Aft, and Agape, those segments in the company Andrews, there is no units of inventory left over compared to the units sold. As discussed in the emergency loan section, too much leftover inventory can cause an emergency loan based off of how expensive it is to hold all that inventory. Excessive inventory can be caused by several different things, but mostly it's caused by overly optimistic sales forecast and confusion between sales forecast, production schedule, and production capacity. I really hope this short lesson on inventory helps with getting your star for this category. Thank you guys for listening.